What's up guys, so let's talk about top 5 strongest city in Mafia City. We do this every migration and this migration is nothing different. A lot of things has been changed and the list is going to be very different this time compared to our previous list. A lot of new things in this migration that I'm really excited to talk about. So let's discuss the top 5 strongest clan currently in Mafia City. But before we start, make sure you like the video, subscribe the channel, do all that good stuff. And if you doesn't agree with me on this top 5 list, make sure you comment your below guys. Everybody have their own opinion. So I'm really excited to know your opinion about this. Let's start with number 5. At number 5, I'm going to put 688. And this is a new city in our top 5 list. It's been a while since a new city have cracked the top 5 spot, and this time it's going to be 688. And 688 guys is looking really strong. They are no joke. Their power is really high. They have 2 clans actually in that city that are very strong. One clan is 17 billion power and another clan is 14 billion power. I'm thinking that if they are going to combine, they will be at least 30 billion power in one clan. So that's a very high power clan they are going to make if they combine for a global event. And that's guys just show that how much power they have, how much troops they have. They can really do a lot of damage. And the reason why I put them at number 5 this time is because they are relatively new, just cracked the top 5 spot in the game, but their power showing that guys they can do even better. I think maybe in next migration list, if everything goes right for them, they can be even in top 3, but for now they're just getting started. So I think to have them at number 5 because the other clan that I'm going to mention are more experienced than them. There are some players in 688 that I have seen before playing, like Luke guys. Luke is one of the players that started playing with Michael. Remember when we used to see the battle between Michael and MC Brutal, and Luke was supporting Michael all the time? What a time it was guys. If you are the subscriber of my channel for a long time, you really know about those. Just for now, I'm going to put City 688 at number 5. Now let's talk about number 4 spot. At number 4, I'm going to put city number 920. And 920 guys, no new to this list. They have been even higher before, but this time it's look like they are going to be at number 4. The only reason they are above city 688 is because of their experience. 920 have a lot of experience. They have battled a lot of strong city in the past, and that's why I think that they have an edge on 688, but that can be proven wrong if anytime they go against each other. But for now, I think 920 has an upper end in terms of experience, better players that have been playing for a long time. So that's why I think 920 is going to be at number 4. Let's go for number 3. At number 3, I will put 388. They have been in top 5 conversation for a long time. And actually, at one point, they were the strongest clan in the game. They have the strongest player in the game. And they still have one of the strongest experienced player in the game, and they are just guys brutal. When you see them going in a battle in a governor, they just go all out. There is nothing left behind. They just throw everything that they have against their enemy. So that's why clan like TGF have a lot of experience, so they deserve a number 3 spot in this list. They can be even more higher, but the other clan just have a slight edge over them, I will say. In top 3 list guys, I just saying that anybody from top 3 can beat each other, so it's very minor difference. But for now, I'm going to put city 388 at number 3 spot. Now let's talk about the number 2 spot. At number 2, we have city 236. What I can say about them, they have one of the best fighting player in the game, a lot of experience, very strong clan, very balanced clan, even though their power doesn't suggest that they are that strong. But when you see them fighting, power is just nothing guys. They can really do a lot of damage against any clan. Really good in terms of strategy and everything. They have very experienced player in their city that really know the game. Some of those players that stopped playing for some time are coming back, just like Varam. I've seen him playing a little bit recently, so I think that 236 is coming back even more stronger. And in past, they have countless battle. They have won a lot of time. Governor, Vega, they have done everything in the game. So that's why I think they are going to be at number 2 spot. They have power to literally defeat any clan. That's why I think that they deserve number 2. And with this, let's talk about number 1. And number 1, guys, is just whole different thing. They are in league of their own. City number 39 is going to be at number 1 spot. The Godzilla clan, guys. The power, 41 billion freaking power they have. The strongest player in the game they have, Yummy, guys, that have almost 10 billion power. Can you believe this, guys? A single player have 10 billion power, more than most of the city in the game. I think that Yummy can just win against a lot of clan just by himself, a lot of top clan just by himself. He is on whole different level, guys. Yummy is not only the reason why City 39 is at number 1 spot. They have a very experienced clan, FHS, already playing in City 39. Then Godzilla clan have joined them and make them even more strong. FHS clan is in the game since the beginning of this game. So they have the most experienced player in the game, plus the strongest player in the game, and his whole clan, guys, just make this even better. I just don't think that anybody right now can challenge them to take their spot. They are just on whole different level. So that's why I think that they are going to be at number 1, and they are number 1 for I think more than 3 times that I have made this video. We make this video every migration, and I think it's been more than 3 migration that City 39 is at number 1 spot. And I think if things continue like this, they are going to stay there for a very long time unless something major happen. For now, they are the king of this game. City 39 is the strongest city in Mafia City. So that's my whole list. Your can be different from me. So let me know if your list is different. Comment in the comment section your top 5. And that's the video, guys. Make sure you like it, subscribe the channel, and do all that good stuff. And I'll catch you in another one. Until then, take care, stay safe, peace.